destruction, terror, world domination. Those things could be yours if you come to Victor Von Bad Guy's Villain Outlet and Closeout Center. We have everything for your villainous needs. Super cool robotic suits? Check. Rocket launchers and flamethrowers? Check. Machine guns disguised as baby stroller? Check.
I need something villainous for my next heist.
Well, who might you be?
I am Madam Mischief, and I'm looking for a good deal.
Well, look no further. Vivacious Villain Vixens get up to 60% off on weekdays at Victor Von Bad Guy's Villain Outlet and Closeout Center.
Hey, I'm a new superhero and I need a cape.
No, we don't serve your kind at Victor Von Bad Guy's Villain Outlet and Closeout Center. You've tried the rest, now come to the best. We'll match any competitor's advertised price. We won't be undersold. So come down to Victor Von Bad Guy's Villain Outlet and Closeout Center, Highway 409, Exit 5.